Now I want to see like a little bit more of her.
No, totally. I get that. You're very pointy today.
I am very pointy. I'm very passionate.
Remember when you were learning to point with...
Yeah.
Hello! I don't do it like that. That's weird. I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot. That was
And
so loud.
you. We are Vocal Lab Collective. Why are you doing that?
Because that was my old face back in the day.
What does that mean?
Before people did the duck face, this happened.
I like a little duck face. Oh, you're right.
Mm-hmm.
I've never understood why people don't like...
I bring the cheeks in.
I don't understand why people make fun of the duck face.
Because all it is this.
I know, but people look good doing it.
They can look good doing it, but they don't know how to do it. The thing is, you're sucking cheeks in, right? So...
I mean, everyone sucks everything in at times.
Do they, Jason?
Hey, so...
We were just so silent.
We were.
That never happens.
We were, no.
Maybe there's some truth to that.
No.
Subscribe,
like, follow, all the things.
all
Facebook,
the comments,
Facebook,
Instagram,
Patreon, all the things.
Guys, I'm very
excited. We love
excited.
doing this for you guys.
You know what? I'm very excited for our Patreon, though, because we're really working on getting Carlos. Carlos, say hi.
Hi. I've been working on his tenor. I've been working on his tenor.
His tenor? Getting him on full time, you guys, so we can bring you more videos. And then we just did some really fun
if we can bring him on full time, we can
just completely interrupted me.
We can. I do that all the time. No, if we bring him on full time, we can crank out stuff all the time.
All the time.
And not just once a week.
Yeah, but
because we love doing this, but we have to work.
Right, we do have to work.
We have to teach.
Bills. We do have to teach. We do have a lot of clients.
And we love to teach.
We love to teach.
But we really love doing
this. Oh my gosh, can I get my word out? We did a really fun tour of the studio here in Nashville, and then some of our favorite...
Am I doing it?
Some of our favorite places in Nashville for just some fun behind the scenes. So yeah, we really are. We are Saturday Night Live. But no, we just filmed that for our Patreon too for you guys to get in on. So that'll be posting.
It will be fun.
Also. So
hey, what are we doing today?
We are doing Katrina.
We are.
Velarde.
Yeah. Go the distance.
Go the distance. So I've only seen one of her other videos.
Yeah, I think just one, and people really love that. And we loved hearing her, so we thought let's give it another try.
Let's dive into
comments.
it. Yep, there it is, folks. There it is.
Deep down in there.
Oh my.
Dang. Is this a wish bus? Yes. Where is it? It must be coming at the end.
Wish 1075.
I love this song.
Of a far-off place where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me.
Oh, I love hearing that.
Where the crowds will cheer when they see my face.
So effortless for me.
It sure is.
And a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
That's nice and very lyric and light.
I'll be there someday. I can go
that's
the
so pretty.
distance and I'll find my way. If I can be strong, find a way free mind.
Wow, this takes
We'll be
Sure does, doesn't it? She brought that right in just tastefully, right?
So forward. I love that.
Dang, that was real good.
To embrace my faith, though the road may wander, it will lead me to you, and 1,000 dreams would be worth my wait. It may take a lifetime, but somehow I see it through.
Yeah. Nice.
Wish music.
Come on, girl.
Yeah. Up a level.
That's a hard.
That's
That's hard.
wow. What is that note?
A.
Yeah, she's dipping like D's, E's, F's.
Wow.
Oh wow, that ending was so solid and strong.
Wow.
That's a really hard song to sing, as you were pointing out, for guy
Very
or girl. I haven't heard many girls
I
actually. I don't know if I've
don't
ever
care.
heard girls sing that. That was Michael Bolton originally sang that for a Disney movie.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's one of my favorite Disney songs because I love the message behind it.
Yeah.
It's just really empowering, and I think songs like this I miss because we don't get a lot of them anymore.
You know
the
what?
80s and 90s were full of them,
I
right?
was
Early
really-
2000s were kind of the death of
Yes.
power ballads and big inspirational, hopeful songs.
Yeah.
And pop especially. Country will throw them in a little bit here and there now, but I think that's probably also one of the rise of like the whole like pop crossover world, you know, of like
Yeah.
the Bocellis and the Grobens and people, because those songs are so
They touch you
hopeful,
in a
they
s-
touch
a
you, they
different
have a
way. Mm-hmm.
strong, empowering message. And I mean, no shade really, but like sometimes I do get tired of just hearing a pop song just be about stupid nothing or just sex or whatever.
Yeah.
You know, it's like,
Yeah.
no, I need to be inspired today.
Totally.
I don't have to be told other things.
I completely agree. As I was listening to her, I was like, man, I wish there was more music like this originally for these current singers to sing. And then also, guys, please comment some of her original stuff for us to look into also. Obviously, this is the second video we've done of her. Vocally, this is the best I've heard of her so far.
Yeah.
I love seeing the dynamic that she has in her voice. I'm blown away because I would love to know the training
I would too.
that these singers
Go
do.
through in the Philippines, I would too.
Because you have to understand when it comes to being a singer and being this just consistent and insanely good.
It
you
takes
have
discipline
to
and
train.
training. You do.
Think of your favorite sports stars that you
Mm-hmm.
guys watch. They train daily, mentally,
For hours.
physically,
For hours.
emotionally.
Diet.
And
all of it.
so, yeah, it's the same thing for singers.
That's a good question. Maybe they can tell us, like, who is the top vocal coach in the Philippines? Because I don't know. I'd
Yeah,
love
I
to
don't
know.
either. No.
But those are all excellent points. And I sat there also and I'm just thinking, you think all these guys walk into Wish Bus and they're ever like, dang it, we got to sit down and sing this song again? Like, that's hard to sit down and
It's
sing like that.
so hard
But
to
they're
sit
all just
down.
sitting down.
Like it's nothing.
No.
Guys-
I'd be like, strap me in a seatbelt. I'm going to stand up so I don't fall down
Oh
while this
my-
bus be moving. But I need that support from standing.
Yeah, just the...
It's really cool.
I don't know if they do a couple... I have no idea
Who knows?
how the Wish Bus does their producing, in a sense. But the fact that I've been blown away by every single performance, I could not go into a radio station here in the States and ask for that. And there's very few artists that would...
Yeah, no, radio shows in the States who have artists come in, because it's very common. Come in and they'll sing a song. It's usually a guitar, vocal, or an a cappella. That's about it.
Which is fine.
Which is fine, but it's very, like, stripped down and
But
raw.
we've
There's
seen
no,
some
like-
stripped down piano work from the Philippines.
Yeah.
It's phenomenal.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very different thing. But,
Yeah.
you know, it's really cool to see how they do that.
That was so good.
It was so good. I
I want to
really
see
love
more
that
of her
song.
original stuff, though. This is just my personal desire from you guys. I am loving seeing these covers, seeing some incredible, because I will say, of anyone who's told me to watch someone sing a cover or go listen to the singer sing a cover, you guys know the ones that can do it the best. So my hat's off to y'all for that. I want to see more originals. I really want to see some more originals from these artists and be brought into their story versus some of the covers that they've done. Because I think this is
totally. I get that.
Perfect. Now I want to see like a little bit more of her.
No, totally. I get that. You're very pointy today.
I am very pointy because I'm very passionate.
Remember when you were learning to point with...
Yeah, my almost 4-year-old son is
Carlos told us to
like
point
this.
with our middle finger.
Yeah.
But when I point to Katie with my middle finger...
Well, I'm used to it. It's his little passive-aggressive. Are you picking up my double chin?
No, I was like, do your face. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, you know what? I think we should call this the Wish Couch.
You know, it could
It probably
be a
has
wish
been
couch.
at times. I don't live here, but I'm just saying.
Oh my gosh,
Hey.
Jason! Holy cow!
It's your house.
No, you know what it makes me think of is...
What?
Do you remember that show, The Big Comfy Couch?
No.
Did you ever watch that?
I don't
Did you
think
ever
so.
watch that?
No.
Of
I
that
watched
girl
Bear in
with
the
the
Big Blue
pigtails?
House.
Yeah, but the girl with the pigtails, and then she had the little dust bunnies that were her friends underneath the couch.
No, that's gross.
Okay.
Who's friends with dust bunnies?
The girl from the Big Comfy Couch channel. It was a PBS show.
Wish Couch.
Well, anyways, this is the Wish
This
Couch.
is the Wish Couch.
Whoa.
Katie. I can't think of anything clever there. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Kim Song.
And we are
Vogue
Vogue.
Live.